Hey everybody, today I want to show you this new remote control car from Hogs called Raoul. This is a race car number 6 directly from France. You can find this car at Toys R Us for $25 and it is for ages 4 and up. As soon as you remove the car from the box, you realize that you have to remove very tiny metal screws to remove a simple toy from the box. Now this car is a lot better than the other Hogs. First of all, the entire car is custom painted. There is not one sticker in this car. It's got rubber tires and it's got an amazing paint job. It's the colors of France. It's a really nice race car. Batteries go in here and also in the back of the remote control. By the way, it has a really nice embossed Hogs Disney Pixar 2011. And here's the remote control. 2 joysticks and a on and off switch. Batteries are included. Another good thing about this car is if you turn right, his eyes goes right as well. If you turn left, his eyes follow to the left. But he does not talk. He measures 7 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. I say this car is worth the price of $25. Not only he's all custom painted, comes with all batteries, and still is a really nice car to play with. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and don't forget to check the rest of my Hogs collection from Cars 2. See you next time.